Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to define the term process, list the process states and define each state, discuss process control block of a process, define the term thread. Overview. An operating system involves in executing user programs, internal programming activities. These activities and user programs are called jobs in a batch system, tasks in time-shared systems. All these activities and user programs are termed as processes or jobs. Examples: playing a song on a media player is nothing but a process. Opening a browser window is a process. Editing a Word document is a process. Introduction. A process is defined as a program in execution. A process is more than a program code, also known as a text section. In general, a process consists of stack, data, heap, program counter. Stores temporary data such as local variables, return addresses, etc. This section holds the global variables. Dynamically allocated memory space during its runtime. The value represents the current activity of the process. Process states. Execution of a process must progress in a sequential fashion. A process changes states during its execution. The current activity of a process defines its state, which is stored in the program counter. A process can be in one of the following states during its lifetime. New. The process is being created. Running. Instructions are being executed. Waiting. The process is waiting for some event to occur. Example: paused video does not play until play button is pressed. Ready. The process is waiting to be assigned to a processor. Terminated. The process has finished execution. Note: only one process can be running on any processor at a point of time. A process can be in any one of the defined states at a time. Process control block. Every operating system represents each of its processes by a process control block, PCB, or task control block. The process control block of a process contains information relating to that process, such as process state, state information of the process, program counter, address of next instruction to be executed. CPU registers includes general-purpose registers, stack pointer, etc. to store variables. CPU scheduling information, information about priority pointers to scheduling queues and other scheduling parameters. Memory management information, information about memory allocation and release such as page table, segment table. Accounting information, amount of CPU time utilized, time limits, job numbers, etc. I/O status information, list of I/O devices allocated, list of open files, so on. Match the threads. Introduction. You log into your Facebook profile and check updates from your friends, watch videos and chat with your friends simultaneously. Opening a Facebook page is a process, but playing a video and chatting on a chat window execute independently. Independent parts of execution within a process are called as threads. A thread is an independent path of execution within a process. A thread can also be defined as a basic unit of CPU utilization. Many threads can run concurrently within a program. A process with single thread of control is called traditional or heavy-weighted process. a process with more than one threads of control is called light-weighted process. Summary. At the end of this topic, you have learned a process is said to be a program in execution. The current activity of a process defines its state. Every process has a control block where all the information associated with the process during its lifetime is stored. A thread is an independent path of execution within a process.